Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. Today I'm going to take a look at another downtime app that I tend to find are more important than apps that make you more productive, or at least equally as important. Because chill time is really crucial and I love spending time checking out what's new to watch, whether it's a movie or a TV show. Now ReelTime is a great application on iOS to help keep you on top of your watch list, and it's free, which is always a nice thing to have. So this is ReelTime on the App Store, and I've highlighted this because there are a few apps which have similar names. Now I'm going to tap on Open and then continue on this first welcome screen. Now this screen here allows us to toggle what category of movies we would like to be notified about when it comes to release dates. So if I'm not too fussed about actual movie premieres or limited theatre releases, I can untoggle these. Okay, swiping across now. And this monitoring section allows us to configure which sections and information will appear when we're looking at a movie or TV title. Now, all of these are configurable within the app, of course, and if I scroll, I can see the full list of options available. Now, I do like having all of these on. I don't think there's too much information that you can have, and we'll see a title live very soon. Now, swiping across once more, and we can elect to receive notifications. Now these can be useful if there's an episode that's due to air for a series that you're watching, or perhaps it's a week before a new cinema release that you have on your watch list. And if you'd like those kind of notifications to come through, then tap to turn notifications on. I'm not going to though, I'm going to swipe. Where we have the final welcome screen, and this prompts you to sync your watch list in the app with Tracked, which is a media platform that keeps track of the movies and TV shows that you watch. Now, whilst you can use the app without Tracked, I personally think that you do get a lot more value from the app if you do indeed set up a Tracked account and connect it to it. Anything that you then add to ReelTime is going to sync with Tracked and vice versa. And Tracked is also used alongside a whole host of other applications such as Just Watch and is free to use. Now you can skip this by tapping Not Now. However, because I do find it genuinely useful, I'm going to tap Connect because I do have a Tracked account. I'm prompted to log in, although you can create an account from here as well, of course. And there's also a Tracked app that you can download. Not something I've ever used myself, so I can't really comment on it if it's any good or not. But I'll just sign in. And this is, of course, a demo account that I'm connecting with here. I do have a live account that is full of information.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.